Hello and welcome to PeerLearning.net's Circle software. In this video, I will demonstrate how to host a circle. The first thing the host must do is get access to the software. You get access to the Circle software using the URL that you currently see on the screen, circles.peerlearning.net. Once you log in, you will see the list of your circles, with their names on the left and the dates they were created on the right. To create a new circle, use the plus icon. You will be asked to insert a circle name. Ideally, the circle name will be very descriptive, referring to a specific group or a specific class, and potentially even having a specific date. This will allow you to differentiate among your circles. Once you create the circle, the name will appear in your list. If you click on that name, you have access to the URL. The URL can be distributed to all participants who will take part in the circle. You can also edit the circle name or delete the circle from your list. And when it is time, you can begin the circle. This is the first screen you will see when beginning the circle. The circle name will appear in the upper left-hand corner, and underneath there is a toggle switch. A sequential circle simply proceeds around the circle in a clockwise fashion. The talking piece is automatically handed from one user to the next without you having to intervene. If you choose to run a non-sequential circle, then all participants will have the opportunity to raise their hand using an icon that they have in their lower left-hand corner. The software will automatically keep track of the order in which participants have raised their hand and make sure that the talking piece is passed accordingly. The circle host will always appear at the very top, and since this circle is just beginning, the host has the talking piece. As a result, you'll see your name and your image, if you have uploaded one, in the middle of the circle. You will also be unmuted, and you can welcome participants to the circle. You can use the discussion prompt in the upper right-hand corner to create a prompt that you can distribute to all participants in the circle to guide the discussion. The thumbtack icon represents a separate tab where you can keep track of topics that are discussed or decisions that are made in the circle. In the lower right-hand corner, there is an icon representing you. If you click on this icon, you can upload an image or a Bitmoji to represent yourself if you have not already done so. This is also where you can go to log out to end the circle. In the lower left-hand corner, you have several icons representing circle management features. The microphone icon gives you the opportunity to unmute everyone in the circle simultaneously for an open discussion. It is recommended that you do not take this step unless you possess the talking piece. That avoids confusion on the part of the participants. There is also a toggle switch that has two modes. Currently, the image-only mode is active. As a result, you'll only see images for participants around the circle. If you click the letters ABC, you will be allowed to see all of the names for the participants in your circle simultaneously. There is also a button that allows you to shuffle the order of the circle if you wish to run a second circle using a different order. If you wish to see a single name, you can click on that circle and the name will be displayed. You also have the ability to move this individual around the circle using the arrow keys, or alternatively, if this person does not belong in the circle, you can use the X to remove them. To remove this person, click the Yes button. If this action was taken in error, you can use the X in the upper right-hand corner to close this window without removing the person from the circle. When you are finished speaking, you click I'm done. The talking piece is automatically passed to the next person. You will see that person's name and their image displayed in the middle if they have uploaded one. If this participant chooses to pick up the talking piece, you will have the ability to respond to what is being said using the set of emojis. If this particular participant is becoming disruptive, you have the ability to remove the stick from their possession, and it is automatically passed to the next person in the circle.